I'm making cookies.
And I'm making cupcakes.
And I'm making a pizza. So...
And everybody's making different things.
That is right. So... First, I roll out the dough. Then I get the sauce from a jar, mix it around with a little water. And then I gather up some olives and put them in a smiley face. And now I'm just grating cheese.
Now you also
how you do these cookies, you don't put any sauce on it. You just you know how to make cookies, just add some food coloring in it.
You see,
and then you put it in the stove and then it puffs up. But if you wanted to add a little chocolate chip, you can. And when you do that, the food coloring, whatever kind of food coloring you have, and when they puff up, that's the color your cookies are going to be.
And since you know I did most of it, I did all these right, when you weren't here. So now I'm making the last one.
And here's a big thing that
And the last one is going to be white icing. White icing.
Oh.
This is white icing. And the last one
back to me making pizza. I'm just putting the green onions on. And me back to mine. I'm still rolling it around. And my pizza will be finished. And voila! Pizza happy face. Thank you for visiting Cookbook Cake Mix.
I'm not done yet.
Or other things.
I'm not done.
I'll see you later.
And here is a perfect cookie. And now I need to spread the icing on after this last one. Hard to do to take it out.
Roll down the pizza.
And then I need this. I need it.
Thank you. Bye.
No, Holly. No, we're not done. And I am still making my cupcakes.
Mama,
and I smush that and that and that in that. And then I'm gonna spread this icing on. No, I'm not done.